Is your Upward account disabled? There are two ways to get your disabled account back. 1. Contact Upward customer care. Go at Upward contacting customer care and press here. Now press click here. Write your information such as your email, zip code. Now press I am having issues with my account. Press I can't log into my account. At the description part, write this text. Here is how it should be looked. Press submit. 2. Purchase a new number from DatingZest shop. Go at DatingZest shop and purchase a new number. Write your billing details and credit card information. Place the order. 3. Verify your account with DatingZest. First, create your Upward account. Press sign in with phone number. Go at DatingZest and get the number. After you get the number, copy that number and paste it on Upward. Upward will send you a code, so go at DatingZest and copy that code. Now paste the code at Upward. Your account is now verified. Now write your information such as your email, birth date. Your account is now created. Answer the Upward questions. Upload pictures of yourself. Use VPN if you are not in allowed countries. Your account is now created and verified.